President of RPF Manipur State Committee Maheshwar emphasized the importance of giving befitting reply to those politicians and political parties relying heavily on party's high command and compromise the interest of the people. He was speaking at the felicitation of Imphal, which is a women's wing of RPF at Palace Compound, Imphal. Speaking further, Maheshwar stated that the people of the state now understand the misdeeds of those political parties which ruled the state since it merged to Indian Union in 1949, particularly Congress and BJP. He also attributed the cause of the ongoing crisis to the failure of the governments formed by different political parties from time to time to fix the prolonged mistakes. Maheshwar maintained that the state needs the emergence of political parties having regional aspirations and capable to work independently for the state. He went on to praise the role of Imphal in the recognition of RPF as a regional party in the state by the Election Commission.